Welcome back to Pawpaw Sammy and Alley Bug's channel. Now, I took this, cut the limb off, and I'm going to show you how to root that tree. It's extremely easy. Anybody can do it. Okay, people, here's how you root your fig trees. This is really complicated. You cut the bush off your fig, you cut it at a slant, leave one leaf, or you don't have to leave a leaf if you don't want to, and you stick it in a cup of water, and you walk away. You keep the water up. Hey, guess what? I haven't done a thing. Look at this.
So, hold on. All right, turn it back over.
Look at the little roots popping out.
Those are roots.
You don't have to do nothing. Just take it, stick it in the plain water, and leave it alone. Keep your water level up.
Wow, look at the roots on this. I just have to show you viewers that. Look at the roots on that. Look at that.
And look at this. Hey, that's all I did. That's really complicated, isn't it? That's all you got to do.
Now, here's going to be the question someone's going to ask. Did you put anything like root stimulator?
I mean, tap water. It's not plain water. It's not rainwater. Come out of the tap.
Okay, so here's my next question. Did you let it sit for 24 hours to make the chlorine go?
I cut it off. I trimmed it. I stuck it in the water, and I said, live or die. And there it is.
There it is.
Now,
and so you cut most of these leaves off, and they're just starting to regrow their own leaves.
That's right.
Wow.
Look, they're growing like... I had to cut a fig off this one. See the fig floating in the water?
Oh my gosh, yes.
I had to cut a fig off. Now look, you see this?
Is that porcelain?
That's porcelain. And I got a cut in this size, right there. And I've grown it to this.
Wow.
And you see it, it's beautiful. And the thing is, people, this stuff is loaded with vitamins, minerals. You won't believe how healthy that stuff is.
That's right.
Now, it'll die back in the winter, but she'll come back in the summer. And I'm rooting all these to plant in my little front yard.
Okay.
In my wildflower.
So what we would call that, Daddy, is food on demand.
That's right. But rooting these fig trees are laughable. People get on there and spend 2-hour videos, and people get disgusted and quit watching. That is how you root fig trees. Oh, one other thing. Try to get it when they're growing. Don't wait till the tree's dominant. Like right now, it's growing, producing figs.
So don't do it in the winter when it's dormant and asleep.
Dominant, the odds are it's not going to root. Maybe. It might, but it's slim.
Right, so your best bet is spring, summer, fall.
Catch it when the tree is growing. And when it does, like I said, you take and just shave the little ends off. That's all you got to do right there. And keep the water level up. There's your roots.
Wow.
I mean, that's really hard work science, isn't it?
Well, I think that's one of the greatest things about watching your videos is you take what everybody else makes to be so difficult and you just, and I hate to say it like this, guys, because somebody's going to want to be upset with me, you dumb it down for the ones of us who are trying to learn, who have never had your experience, because everybody knows that I'm a new gardener, not a new homesteader, but I'm a new gardener when it comes to big gardens.
This is a LSU gold fig tree, okay? It's 18 months old. Look at this stalk, all right? Now what I did the other day, because it's young and I don't want to overload it, I cut a big limb off right here that came way up here. Notice. Scroll. Look at that. The cardboard is gone. It's done dissolved down into the dirt. That's what I do. Cardboard around it. Straw on top of it. Look, coffee grounds, coffee filters. Look. That just makes it grow, baby.